Hello, welcome to session of FortiOS 6.4, and in this session we'll go over the advantages of new FortiOS with respect to predefined dashboards, wired and wireless assurances, and FortiOS switch NAC feature. FortiOS includes predefined dashboards, so administrators can easily monitor device inventory, security threats, and network health. You can enable device detection to allow FortiOS to monitor your networks and gather information about devices operating on the networks, including MAC address, IP address, OS, hostname, and so on. Wi-Fi Dashboard is one of the default monitor dashboards built into FortiOS. It allows you to view FortiAP status, channel utilization, Wi-Fi clients, and associated information with signal strength. FortiAP Status Monitor displays the status and the channel utilization of radios and FortiAP devices connected to FortiGate. It also provides tools to diagnose and analyze connected APs. Here we can see one of the AP diagnostics that can drill down with associated clients connected to AP. Detailed client assurances can be drilled down with diagnostics with respect to performance, application visibility, and destinations of all the network traffic. Policy identification allows administrators to monitor the network traffic. Network performance can be improved with identification of interfering SSIDs, and we can run spectrum analysis diagnostics to check the health of the signal strength and other characteristics. Let us move to FortiOS wired features in 6.4. Now let's see how FortiLink is integrated into security fabric with number of switches managed on the FortiGate. Topology View gives how your switch network is connected, and it will help to identify any STP loops in your network and so on. Detailed port-to-port connection status and switch management possible without navigating to different screens. Wired assurances made easy with new switch diagnostics, which displays health of the switch and port connections. Ports can manage in this view and configured either from access port to NAC port. NAC is a great product to have, but costs a lot for small segment users. Starting from FortiOS 6.4, NAC is a feature with set of basic device authentication policies. Network access control helps administrators implement policies to control the devices and users that have access to their networks. NAC function can be enabled on all Forti switches or on specific ports. Initially, devices connected to the ports with the NAC function enabled are put into an onboarding VLAN. Here, I have a different NAC policy set up for different matched devices. NAC policies can be created either with MAC-based or port-based. In this example, we can see how a MAC policy is created with device matching pattern and VLAN associated to the device. For user control and authentication, another NAC policy is created with SSO users and VLAN associated to that policy. NAC port policy can be created with more defined templates such as LLDP, QoS policy, 8021 security authentication with associated VLANs. With all the onboarding devices onto the switch NAC feature, user and devices show detailed onboarding of the devices with user information along with OS, device family, and hardware version. Last but not least, this is a security fabric view with all the onboarding devices like endpoints, APs connected to switches, and that are seamlessly integrated with the FortiGate. To summarize, FortiOS 6.4 advances the Fortinet security fabric with greater security while delivering even more simplicity and automation to help the customers with better deployment, maintain their network operations and security throughout their organization. Thank you for watching.